Control flow statements regulate the order in which a statement or group of statements get executed. The first one is if then else statement. This executes a section of the code only if particular condition is true. Let's see an example. I'll declare a variable called age and assign a value of 2. I would like to charge an entry fee. If the age is less than 3-year-old, if they're younger than 3-year-old, I want to allow them free. To check whether someone is less than 3, I'm going to check age less than 3. And then I'll go ahead and then print entry is free. They don't have to pay anything. We'll go ahead and execute this. Age equals 2. 2 is less than 3 and it printed entry is free. What happens if age is say 5-year-old? Because it's not less than 3. It doesn't print anything. Basically, this particular block of code did not get executed since this condition is false. So let's take a look at another clause called else. So with else, entry is $5. So in this case, basically, if the age is less than 3, entry is free here. If the age is not less than 3, I want it to execute whatever is in the else part. So that is entry fee is $5. So since age is 5, it should execute this else part. Entry is 5. If the age is less than 3, say for example 1, it prints free. So if this condition is true, it prints the first statement. If it is false, it prints the second statement. That's about the if then else statement. The next control flow statement is a switch statement. Let's take an example. We have a day number 1 through 7 indicating Sunday through Saturday. If you have to use an if condition, we will have 7 different conditions checking if day number is 1, then it's Sunday, day number 2 is Monday, day number 3 is Tuesday, so on. So it becomes a tedious. Java provides a simpler construct for us, which is called as switch statement. Let's go ahead and then test it out. So I have declared a variable called int day number equals 1. I'll go ahead and then do a switch like that, day number, and I will open a parenthesis, and then if it is 1, I want to print Sunday. If it is 2, I want to print Monday. So let's go ahead and then just for the sake of it run this. So the day number is 1 and it printed Sunday, which is correct, but it also printed Monday. The reason is in switch statement, as soon as it finds a condition, it prints it whatever the statement is, and it continues to print the next statement onwards. To avoid this, Java provides a clause called break. So if we break, basically it breaks out of this switch statement and then the control comes out of the switch statement. So we have put break. Let's go ahead and execute this. So it printed only Sunday. So I'll go ahead and then put break here also, and then continue with the rest of the conditions. Here we go. So we provided day number all the conditions, Sunday through Saturday. So I'll go and execute this. Since the day is 1, it is printing 1. If the day is 5, it should print Thursday. Yep, it is printing Thursday. If the day is 3, then it should print Tuesday, case 3. Yes, it is doing that. What happens if the case is 10? It doesn't print anything because we don't have anything. In certain cases, we do want to make sure that we want to capture that also. For that, Java provides something called default. If none of the conditions is met, then it comes here. So we'll say invalid date because it's not a invalid day. Go ahead and execute this. It prints invalid day because the day number is 10. That's the switch case statement.